How to use iCloud Drive on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're on the Settings page, tap on your Apple ID profile at the top of the screen. After that, on the Apple account page, locate and tap on the iCloud option. Here, you can view your overall iCloud storage usage. Scroll down to the Save to iCloud section and tap on See All. Now, tap on iCloud Drive from the list. On this page, make sure that the Sync this iPhone toggle is enabled. Once confirmed, go back to Find and open up the Files application. On the main Browse page, tap on iCloud Drive listed under the Location section. Here, you can tap on any folder, such as Downloads, to view the files stored within it. Following these steps, you can easily use iCloud Drive on an iPhone.